off your boots and make some noise for Homecoming 2025. First up, Barbie and Ken in real life. Give it up for Abby Albright and Cash Wilderman. Next, the dynamic duo you can't miss, Jesse and Woody, also known as Andrea Wood and Ace Barcelona. Saddle up for our wild outlaws straight from the saloon, Ava Lilly and Maddox Allen. Finally, the legendary pair from the painting we all know too well, American Gothic themselves, Lucy Anderson and Cooper Rakes. Welcome, Raider Nation. Let's rise with celebration. Cheering loud for our football team, fulfilling every Friday dream. The Vikings fall, we stand tall. Coach Miller leads us through it all. With pride we wear the black and white, we're shouting howdy Hoco all night. 4 boys, 4 girls, who will wear the crown? One of each will bring Raider pride all around. Meet our candidates, learn their story, and cheer. Raider pride's our winning frontier. First, we start off with Abby. Oh, Abby. Her life's a bit messy, a little bit shabby. Her boyfriend's at Dairy Queen, whipping up treats. While Abby is short, but her sweetness competes. Andy's the best Albright, we all know. But be careful with Abby, her speed's set on go. She hits a few curbs, maybe scrapes up her ride, and she'll talk your ear off, no chance to hide. But behind the chaos, she's caring, she's kind, with a smile that can brighten the darkest of times.
Yay!
Here comes Cash. Oh, we've heard the lore. Your eyesight's just fine. Don't fake it no more. Sometimes caught texting, drama aligned, but deep down he's loyal, respectful, and kind. On the mat wrestling, he's one of the best, but don't ask for more. He skips all the rest. He wrecks his poor car, speeding fast down the street, collecting those tickets like some kind of thief. And if you tell him a joke, don't expect something fast. He'll process your words 20 seconds at last. Next up is Andrea, waitress by night, serving up body tea. Quiet guys are her type. She keeps it low-key, she stays in her lane, but mess with her shift and you'll feel the pain. She's fierce on the mat, wrestling's her game, pinning down rivals and earning her fame. And if Pokemon cards are spread on the table, she's gambling away, best believe she's able. Sweet on the surface, cool in her style, Andrea can chill you or charm you with a smile.
Yay!
Now Ace, a smart, nonchalant, and sly, funny with a smirk and a sharp little eye. Quiet in class, he won't say a word, but crack a good joke and Ace will be heard. He's caring, he's steady, he'll keep it all cool until video games make him break every rule. Pencil, just part of his flair, but need a good friend, you'll find Ace there. Chill as can be, he's clever, he's fast, the type of guy who will always outlast. Brains and some heart, he's got what it takes. All hail Ace, the one who can't be replaced.
Yay!
Aw, Ava, oh Ava, the warning is true. Don't cross her, don't test her, don't make her mad at you. She'll burn up your picture, yeah, go up in flames. Fiery spirit with power in her name. She's tall and she's mighty, her aim is no joke. That javelin soars every time that it's thrown. Math's not her subject, but style's her heart, and loyalty's something she guards fearless, she's bold, she'll fight you for her crew. Just don't be mean, she'll unfriend you too. Maddox, please turn your hat around. It's backwards. Here comes Maddox. Let's see the scene. Let's set the scene. Our chaos twin with an energy machine. Mad Dog, they call him. He's dancing on tables, wrestling gorillas. He swears he's able. Sure, he works at the deli and slices real clean, but wrestling wild beasts is more his scene. On the football field, he flattens the pack. Pancake platoon, knocking players on their back. Leader of laughter, of chaos of fight. If there's syrup and madness, Maddox is right. Now on to Lucy, our volleyball queen, spiking that ball like you've never seen. Her hip might be shaky, but don't be misled. She still plays strong with fire in her stead. Late to the bell, but she makes up for time with a heart that is gentle and spirit that shines. She once stole the spotlight, maybe stole a man, but now she's found love in a sweeter plan. Drafting her fantasy team like a pro, the only girl bold enough to steal the show. Quiet at first, but just wait, you'll see Lucy's as sweet as a friend can be. And last.
He's not ready.
And last, Cooper. Oh, what a name. The ladies all love him, it's part of his fame. Older his age, or younger, it's clear. When girls are near. Always on to the next, he's quick on his feet, but somehow with Cooper, the crowd's on repeat. With Reese's sticks ready, he's making his play, charming the room in his own special way. He talks a bit bigger than he backs up and fight, but Cooper's still shining under the lights. So cheer for the guy who's running the show. It's Cooper, the one that everybody knows. So there you have it, 8 shining stars, from deli nights to football yards, each one unique with a story to share, a spirit of Raider pride everywhere. They're funny, they're fearless, they light up the night, they carry our colors of black and white. So who will wear the crown? Who will take the prize? The answer is found in the crowd's loud cries. But win or lose, one truth we know, these are our Raiders and they steal the show. So clap your hands, let your voices ignite. Happy homecoming, Raiders. Let's cheer all night.
Okay, now we're going to do the candidate game. So boys are going to line up over here and girls are going to line up over there in a line.
Everything's sticky.
Do you want to? Boys, you're going to start off by spinning 5 times, and then you're going to jump over the hay bales. You're going to ride your horse down to the girls, so you just act like you ride a horse, and if you don't, you're disqualified. The girls will then get on your back, and you're going to ride, like barrel race around chairs once they get them. And then girls, you'll get off, and you'll ride your horse to the finish line. It's that bucket by Miss Welsh. One here. One here. Hey girls, can you guys scoot down so they don't run after?
We're back. Now just scoot back.
Kevin, they're coming back. They're coming back.
go, Mad Dog.
Actually, spin 10 times. 10.
I'm
Ready? Ride your horse down to the girls, and then they get on your back. You're pretend horse. Giddy up, Ready? Set. Go.
Spinning like that.
Ride your horse.
Mad Dog.
Go, go, go!
Mad Dog.
Okay, drop it. Ride your horse. Ride your horse. Go. Let's see the finish line. Abby and Cash are the winners.